Assalomu alaykum. O'zbekiston 24 telekanali o'z dasturlarini davom ettiradi. Avvalgi chiqishlarimizda xabar berganimizdek, ertaga Samarqand shahrida UNESCO bosh konferensiyasining 43-sessiyasi start oladi. Unda 194 ta davlatdan vakillar, shu bilan birga 20 ta xalqaro tashkilotdan delegatlar ishtirok etishi kutilmoqda. Va aytish joizki, bu tarixiy voqea. Chunki oxirgi 40 yil ichida UNESCO tashkilotining bosh konferensiyasi ilk marotaba Parijdan tashqarida tashkil etilmoqda.
Ta'kidlab o'tganingizdek, 30-da start oladigan bosh konferensiya oldidan tadbirlar ham keng tashkil etilgan, jumladan 2 kun davom etgan 14-yoshlar forumini ham aytishimiz mumkin. Unda ham 150 dan ortiq mamlakatdan yoshlar kelishgan delegatsiya bo'lib va bu galgi mavzuyimiz iqlim o'zgarishiga qarshi kurashda yoshlar harakati deya nomlangan va unda o'sha global miqyosdan yig'ilgan yoshlar o'zlarining tashabbuslari, g'oyalari bilan bo'lishishdi va eng dolzarblari startap g'oyalarga aylantirib kelgusida hayotga tatbiq etilishi kutilmoqda. Bugun ham jarayonlar qizg'in davom etmoqda, jumladan bugun 12-chi milliy komissiya a'zolarining vakillarining mintaqalararo yig'ilishi bo'lib o'tmoqda va u sessiyalarda turli xil mavzulardagi sessiyalar orqali qizg'in muhokamalar tarzida tashkil etilgan.
Xuddi shunday 4 ta asosiy sessiyadan tashkil topgan bo'lib, UNESCOga a'zo davlatlarning milliy komissiya vakillari shu yerda tashabbuslarni ilgari surishmoqda. Shu bilan birga o'z faoliyatlarida yuzaga kelayotgan chaqiriqlar, muammolarni ham muhokama qilib, tajriba almashib, eng yaxshi yechim va amaliyotlarni networking asosida bir o'rtoqlashishmoqda.
Deysaki, bilasizmi, bu yerda, ya'ni mana shu yig'ilish jarayonida shunchaki o'tgan yilgi hisobotlar o'qib eshittirilmayapti, balki tinglanyapti ham desak bo'ladi. Ya'ni har bir mintaqa o'ziga yarasha qiyinchiliklari, masalalari bo'ladi va ular o'rtoqlashib, boshqa mintaqalarda jarayonlar qanday ketyapti, ularni fikrlari almashilgan holda qo'shma loyihalar asosida hamkorlikni kuchaytirish nazarda tutilgan. Chunki mana shu komissiya vakillari bu davlat va UNESCO tashkiloti o'rtasidagi o'ziga xos ko'prik, ya'ni unikal ko'prik desak ham bo'ladi. Sababi tashabbuslar amalda tatbiq etilishi aynan mana shu komissiya a'zolariga bog'liq.
Xuddi shunday va mana shu sessiyalarda bevosita ishtirok etib nutq so'zlagan bir delegatlar bilan ham suhbatlashamiz. Hozir aynan ularning fikrlarini, ular qanday tashabbuslar va loyihalarni ilgari surishmoqda, shular haqida qiziqib ko'ramiz. Ketdik.
Hi, good part of the day. You were in the panel session over here. Could you first introduce yourselves and tell us what the sessions would have importance to the community and globally?
Yeah, thank you very much. My name is Aftab Muhammad Khan and I am the Secretary General Pakistan National Commission for UNESCO. I think it was a good opportunity to be here today because these national commissions from different countries, they were here to discuss the representatives of different countries were here to discuss upon the modalities and the future course of action for UNESCO and to exchange information with each other. I think it was a good opportunity. We learned a lot from different national commissions, their experiences, and I think we are also very grateful to the Uzbekistan government and the UNESCO that they held a conference here and brought all the national commissions together.
Let us briefly translate what you said. Pokistonlik suhbatdoshimiz Muhammad Oftob aynan bu yig'ilish milliy komissiyalarga tajribalarni almashish, eng yaxshi amaliyotlarni joriy qilish va shular yuzasidan muhokamalar o'tkazish imkonini berdi va suhbatdoshimiz aynan shu konferensiya O'zbekistonda tashkil etilgani ham bu katta bir muvaffaqiyat deb ta'kidlab o'tdi.
Va o'z qaysidir ma'noda minnatdorchiliklarni ham izhor etyaptilar. Sababi bu kabi yirik konferensiyani tashkil etish o'z emas. Buning uchun to'g'ri infrastruktura kerak, tashabbuslar kerak va bugun O'zbekiston mana shu talablarga javob beryapti. Bunga esa O'zbekiston va UNESCO o'rtasidagi faol hamkorlik sabab. Endi Filippindan tashrif buyurgan suhbatdoshimizning fikrlari bilan ham qiziqib ko'rsak.
Hello, I'm Ivan Henares. I'm the Secretary General of the Philippine National Commission for UNESCO and We are happy to be here with the other national commissions for UNESCO. It's an opportunity really for the different national commissions to meet with our counterparts, and at the same time we are able to give our insights on the topics that are being discussed at the meeting today through various interventions.
tarjima qilib beraylik.
So'zlarni, ya'ni Filippindan tashrif buyurgan Milliy komissiya rahbari ta'kidlab o'tganlaridek, bu muloqot maydonida biz birgalikda unikal yangi usullar orqali hamkorligimizni yangi bosqichga olib chiqishimiz mumkin. Yangi g'oyalarni eshitib, uni o'zimizda tatbiq etishimiz mumkin. O'zimizdagi bilimlarni esa boshqa komissiya vakillari bilan ulashib, yangi g'oyalar orqali yangi loyihalarga start berishimiz mumkin deya ta'kidlab o'tdilar. Navbatdagi savol bilan yuzlansak, this is the first time held in Uzbekistan outside of the France for the 40 years. So what do you think, how it's important for Uzbekistan? And in the panel session, they will discuss about the youth and also about the tourism. So Uzbekistan is meeting the standards of the UNESCO nowadays. What do you think?
I think we are really proud of this thing that Uzbekistan has made great arrangements for this event. I think it will create a soft image and very good impression of the government of Uzbekistan, and even Pakistan has very good relationship with Uzbekistan. It will further strengthen, and I think it will convey a good message to the outside world that it's a peaceful country, and it will promote tourism, and particularly the themes that were discussed here, the youth, the focus on the youth because they are the future. So I think and other issues that will be discussed, the environmental issues and the strengthening of the national commissions. So it will create a very good impression in the whole world that it creates this place provides a better opportunities to come here and to hold conferences here when it comes to the international forum.
Thank you very much.
Ya'ni suhbatdoshimiz ta'kidlab o'tganlaridek, bu kabi katta konferensiyalarni O'zbekistonda o'tkazilishi bu O'zbekistonning qanchalar bunga tayyorligidan dalolat beradi. Tayyorgarlik jarayoni, tashkiliy masalalar yuqori darajada va panellarda muhokama qilingan mavzular yoshlar va turizm masalalarida O'zbekiston bugun barchaga namuna bo'la oladi. Yangi O'zbekistonni katta sonli aholisi yoshlardan iborat va bugun yoshlar qo'llab-quvvatlanayotganini ham ko'ryapmiz. Va shu o'rinda yana bir narsani aytib o'tdilar. Bugun